In a tranquil village surrounded by majestic mountains, time flowed like the river, steady, unnoticed, and essential. But what happens when the people of the village forget the value of time? The village of Sundargram was a haven of peace. Each day, the people farmed, traded, and celebrated together. But they were carefree, believing they had all the time in the world. In the heart of the village stood a clock tower said to have magical powers. It was cared for by the Timekeeper, an old man who rarely left his post. He watched over the village, ensuring the clock never stopped. Despite the Timekeeper's warnings, the villagers grew careless. "We have plenty of time," they said, spending their days gossiping or lazing under the banyan tree. The clock's glow began to dim. One morning, the villagers woke up to find the clock stopped. The fields withered, the river ran dry, and the village lost its vibrancy. Panic set in. The villagers rushed to the Timekeeper, begging for his help. He shook his head. "Time does not wait. When you waste it, you lose it forever. But if you truly value it, you may restore it." To save their village, the people worked together. They repaired the clock, tended the fields, and helped one another. Slowly, the clock began to tick again, and the village regained its life. The village flourished once more, but this time, the people remembered the lesson. Time is a treasure. They worked diligently, cherished their moments, and never let the clock's glow dim again. Time waits for no one. Use it wisely, cherish it deeply, and let it guide you to a brighter tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more inspiring stories. Let's make every moment count.